I found a script in a forum, and now I'd like to use that script in InDesign. So how do I do that? I copy the script text in the forum, copy the whole script and nothing but the script. Copy. Open a text editor. Must be a text editor. Paste the text in. Go to the open the script folder. The quickest way to do that is to right click in the scripts panel and use reveal in Explorer. On the Mac that'll be reveal in Finder. Go back here. I'll copy the script path here. Now I say File, Save As. This is the script path, and now some name, new script. Can be any name, but importantly it must be JS or JSX as file type, and it'll appear here, and then after a second it'll appear in your scripts panel, ready for use.